Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of our T building. So we have opened out this structure, right? So here we're going to add a landing, okay? So we're going to add the landing over here. So and this will be our staircase, okay? So for that, select this node cursor, pressing Control, select these node points over here. So go to translation. So of how much? We're going to give of 3 meters. So it's about set direction, click on link steps, click on OK. So here we have got our this one. So for that again now select this one, go to Control C and Control V about Z direction of 3 and OK. So right, we have got this. Now click on add beam. Now select this beam, okay. So after that now add our beam over here, right? So but we will do one thing, right? So because if you after that if you want to add the property over for this, so it will get some complicated, okay. So for that firstly we will delete these ones, okay. So now we will give our property for our building, okay, so that we make it not any confusions for this, okay. So for that what you have to do, go to 3D. So now okay, you can go to select means parallel to y direction. Now deselect all this because we are giving a different section over here, right? So go to here, so now we can see, right? So go to assign and S. So it will be assigned, right? We have some standard action repeat, okay? So what else? This one. Select over here this one and this one. Go to translational repeat of y-axis of each one of how much 3 meters height. So how many number of steps of 10, okay. So okay. So but it will create like this, right? So we will only translate this one, okay. Both y of 10 meters and each one of 3 meters on okay. Translation of 3 meters y 10 and okay. Okay, we have got all this. So what you have to do, select these beams. Only blades have been copied, okay. Now translations y 10 spacing of 3. So all the node points have been assigned, okay. So we will delete this one, right? So we don't need these steps. So we'll provide a lift over here. So just quickly. So this node point also it doesn't require, right? So after that, what we will do means, so okay, so just we will remain this one, okay. So after that, we will build this one. So now we will add a stair lift for this, right? So go to this or go to top view. So here we have this, right? So now go to cut section, select to view, okay, and select only this part, go to 3D. So here we have this, right? So if you see here, so these are the one points, okay. So go to add B. So I'm going to add over here. Okay, and so again go to the node cursor, select these node points, go to translation, y of -3, link steps, and okay. So we have got this, okay. And close. This also will change to 33. Change and close. Right. So now go to Z word, click on add. Wind load about Z direction of this one 0 to this is 33, or we will take it as 5 meters height. Add and -1, add and close. So you see here, so this is towards Z direction, this is the -Z direction, okay. So in the next video we will be seeing all the loading conditions, okay. Thank you.